How to fix the Roblox voice chat is not working. For this, open up Roblox and click more option and click settings and click privacy and content restriction and click communication settings. So for this, we need to check voice chat is enabled or not. So in this case, the voice chat is not enabled. If it's enabled means you can see the settings of a voice chat. If it's not having means it's not enabled still now. For this first, you need to enable the voice chat. For this, go to account information and click age group and birthday. It should be verified. Once verified after the voice chat is enabled. So for this, you need to go to click continue and you need to verify the age group and birth date. So confirm your age verification. By using this step, you can confirm the age verification. And the next step, click settings and click privacy and security settings. Scroll down and click microphone settings. Here you have seen the microphone access. It should be in enable and let app access your microphone. These two options should be in enable mode. Make sure it. If it's disabled means you need to enable it. So after enabling, you need to close it and come to next step. Open Roblox game and go to settings. In this, we have seen the audio setting is there. Make sure the volume is enabled or not. If it's not enabled, means you need to enable it. And the input and output device, you need to set the correct input and output device. If you not set, means you need to go to settings and you can check in sound settings. You have seen the input and output device is there. You can check.